Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of a raw food diet? Picture a lifestyle that revolves around consuming food in its natural, uncooked state. This intriguing dietary practice, embraced by individuals across the globe, is known as raw foodism. Despite initial skepticism, the raw food diet has gained widespread recognition, appreciated for its myriad health benefits. From diverse cultures to varied communities, more and more people are unlocking the nutritional power of unprocessed food. Let's dive deeper and discover the health benefits of a raw food diet. Did you know cooking can deplete the nutritional value of food, impacting your energy levels? By embracing raw foods, you ensure that essential vitamins and nutrients remain intact, contributing to more efficient energy utilization and a boost in overall vitality. Your immune system also gets a breather, as raw foods require minimal processing, thereby reducing the strain on bodily resources. This practice promotes sustained energy levels, helping you feel more vibrant and lively throughout the day. So raw foods can be your natural energy booster. Ever thought about how your diet could help prevent diseases? Raw foods are packed with vitamins and nutrients in their purest form, ready to be absorbed and used by your body to fend off illnesses. These nutrients, untouched by heat or processing, bolster your immune system, reducing your vulnerability to diseases. They not only enhance your overall health, but also equip your body with the necessary resources for optimal functioning and resilience. Thus, raw foods could be a powerful ally in your health journey. Struggling with weight management or digestive health? Raw foods free from processed fats and oils can help maintain a balanced body weight. They are easier for the body to digest, reducing the production of excess stomach acid and alleviating digestive discomfort. Moreover, enzymes present in these foods facilitate digestion and assist in the elimination of toxins, promoting digestive health and overall well-being. Raw foods could thus make your weight management and digestion a breeze. Scene script: how about improving your heart health with your diet? Imagine reducing circulatory and heart disease risks simply by what you eat. A raw food diet, brimming with vital vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants, could be the key. Some raw foods even have the power to widen your blood vessels, easing the flow of life-giving blood throughout your body. This not only bolsters your cardiovascular health, but also conserves energy, enhancing your overall vitality. So, a raw food diet could be your heart's best friend. All in all, a raw food diet offers a holistic approach to health. Harnessing the power of unprocessed foods, it provides a boost in energy and vitality, aids in disease prevention, and fosters optimal bodily functions. It helps in maintaining a balanced body weight while promoting digestive health. Moreover, it supports cardiovascular health by improving circulatory function. Embracing raw foodism can lead to improved health outcomes and a heightened sense of well-being. So why not give the raw food diet a try? Your body might thank you.